Drake fans are fuming after the rapper gave a bizarre excuse for his short private jet flights. The multimillionaire's personal Boeing 767 has reportedly taken 3 flights in the last 6 weeks, all of which were under 20 minutes. A number of celebs, including Kylie Jenner, have been slammed recently for using their jets when a commercial plane could have done the job. But Drake, 35, isn't having any of it. Taking to Instagram, he said, "This is just them moving planes to whatever airport they are being stored at. For anyone who is interested in the logistics, nobody takes that flight." While several of Drake's fans have supported the star, suggesting celebs often move their planes for convenience, others fumed that pollution from the flight was even more unforgivable because it had no passengers. One said, "Okay, but that's worse. You don't see how that's worse?" While another fumed, "Wake up. Take the train." Scott Hochberg, a transportation attorney at the Center for Biological Diversity, gave his opinion on the controversial issue, saying, "Drake's living in his own meme if he thinks an empty private jet flight is better than a wasteful one with a celebrity on board." This is a prime example of wasteful carbon emissions leading to even more wasteful carbon emissions. These egregious flights add climate heating pollution all along their journey, from taxiing on the runway to the ground vehicles that service the aircraft. Ultra-short, non-essential flying only multiplies the journey's climate impacts, and we hope celebrities will wake up to the damaging impact of their frivolous flying. Billionaire baby Kylie Jenner was recently called out for taking a 30-minute journey on her $70 million private jet. The mom of two, 24, jetted off to Palm Springs on her customized Bombardier Global 7500 aircraft, which took a mere 30 minutes from her home in Calabasas. The reality TV star and her famous sisters, Kim Kardashian, Khloe Kardashian, and Kourtney Kardashian, have all been criticized in the past for their luxury air travel, particularly on short journeys, with fellow celebrities and fans calling out the foolery. Kylie Jenner taking a $70 million jet for a 30-minute journey. "Okay girl, ruin the planet some more," one Twitter user complained after the star's latest trip. While another fumed, "It's rich people like her who are literally killing the earth we live in. So selfish." The Mirror has reached out to Kylie's reps for comment.